How to join Telegram channel without invite link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can join Telegram channel without invite link. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, make sure that you have the updated version of Telegram. So for that, you can open up your App Store, go to the search bar, simply search for Telegram, and after you find Telegram, if you see an update button instead of open right here, tap on update and update your app. Now what you can do is you can head back and open up your Telegram. After you've opened up your Telegram, all you have to do is swipe down a bit more. There you will see a search bar. Tap on search bar and now you can search for any channels that you want. So you can search for channels which you want to join, such as, let's say, football, something related to football. I'll just search for football channel and there you can see there are different channels available. You can open one up and you'll see a join button down below. All you have to do is tap on the join button to join the channel. So it's taking some time to load, but yeah, just tap on join and there you go, you've just joined this channel. You can do the same here. You can go back, search for other topics that you like, and you'll get the list of channels available, and then all you have to do is tap on it and tap on join. And yeah, that's basically how you join Telegram channel without an invite link. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.